Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakong san mentah kesengi kilong. Kiniam kilong kapong syai jong ke jingya teli. Ong upuk Francis haka jinglet jingo ya ke mosque Istiqlal. Rakhe burom ke Meghalaya ya kinong hikai hakeleng ki distrik. Kentu Menteri Rangba Banang ya kikitin khasi ban garo. Ban Daka madan futsal, shna kalong yeng na pendang rei ban pensa nam ye ka kerteng ukpa. Tomantang ini apai shiki Khubor ki bakham benia. Haka jingyat pilgrim jong Pope Francis uklido ka balang Catholic Syari Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, East Timor bat haki wei ki daulenong, haka duriau ba Pacific, haka santrik Nailur ulale jingo ya ka Istiqlal Mosque, ka jaka mani blay ki riungit Muslim hanong ba Jakarta. Kani ke jinglet jingo jong Pope Francis ya ka Istiqlal Mosque kalong ka wei na kidak kishin bat ka nuksa ba ula penpau sya ka perthei ban wanra ya ka jingya buram bat jingya jan markeliang hapedeng ka balang Catholic bat ka niam Islam ban kiar na kanu ka jinglet donbor bat jing thombor ha ka perthei. Kani ke jingya kendu ya ka niam Catholic bat ka niam Islam kalalong kum ka pongshai ban wanra ya ka jing sngo shipara na uju unong thau Tunnel of Fraternity, balak kedau bat pun lenti daka yeng maniba ka Maria bala shimno shabneng, Basilica of Our Lady of Assumption into Heaven, bat ka Istiqlal Mosque kanong ba Jakarta. Ay balang ba kani ka pongshai kindon ki jingya kren bat ki jingya kendu ki ban longkum ka syarak jong ka jing shai bat ka jing sngotu jingmut laong Pope Francis ha ka jing kren ha Istiqlal Mosque. Ula ay kublay kinong yalam niam baper ki bala don lang haga ni kasngi bat ki bala shem benta ha ka jing persang ban penroy ya ka jingya day paralok bat ka jingya teli ha pedeng jongki. Ula ong ru ki kenhon niam ki day ban weng ki jing e ha ka perthei lengba ka jingya long paralok bat ka jing buram markeliang iwei ya iwei pan. Upo Francis ula le jingo ru ya ka mosque Istiqlal ka bala tei haus nam khat khandai spa handriu phawei. La sandur la shna bat tei do arkitek Kristan u Friedrich Silaban. Kani ka mosque ka dei ka ba hetam ha Asia bat ka balai ha ka perthei baro ka we. Ukli du ki Muslim ha Indonesia Grand Imam Nasiruddin Umar ha ka jingkran priang sngob ha ya Pope Francis. Ula banjur da ka baong kani ka mosque ka syakri ya kinong Indonesia habon kiliang. Omtang bakalong ka jaka maniblay kalong ru ka pedeng jong ki kolshor ka jaka hikai niam ka jaka hikai akor bat ka jaka kentiu bat penroy ya ka imlang salang ha kani kari. Kani ka mos ka penpau sya ya ka jing IT jong ka ban penroy ya ka jing ya teli ha ka imlang salang ha pedeng ki jat benriu ba per jong ka Indonesia ula penkut. Upo Francis ula pasyat arteli ki jing ai jingmut bakongsan na ka benta ban penroy bat kentiu ya ka jing ya teli bat ban weng ya ki jing e ha ka imlang salang. Ningkong ula penslur ya ka jing bishar benia ya ka ka ba penya so para brio. Ka ba ar ula kersan ban penne ya ka jing ya dei ha pedeng ki jat benriu ba per kamtam ka jing ya dei ha pedeng ki niam laki rit nehe pat. Hadirin kani kinong yalam jong kinyam kila soy soskular ban kentiu ya ka jing ya teli kinyam bat ban wengi ki jing e ha ka perthei. Kani ko soskular kala banjur ya ka jing don kam ban yale persha ya ka jing le don bor bat weng ya ka jing bam sngotu jingmut ha pedeng ki jat benriu ban wanra ya ka imlang sa lang ka basuk basan. Upo Francis ula penkut ya ka jing le jingo jong u ya ka Indonesia da ka ba ai ka jing kurku bat ka jing kermen na ka benta ka imlang sa lang ka balat luj ka bayajan bat ka basuk basan ha kani kari hakis nam banwan. Ka sorkar Meghalaya ha ka santarik Nailur kalarakhe ka sngi burom kinong hikai da ka jingyalang bakerpang bala penlong ha usoso tham auditorium ha ka ba Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad ke sangma ulalong ukongsan bat Menteri ka tenat pule puthi rakam e sangma kum usembut kongsan. Hakani kasngi Menteri Rangba ula kentu ya kinong hikai ban long kinong ketik jingtmu na ka benta ki Samla bat ki khna skul khnang ban penlong ya ki nong shong shnong ki bakit kli ki bastat ki basngoto bat ki bashida ki ban beteng ya ka sensyar khadar ban pendap haki kam sorkar bat ban long kinong ya lam habaro kiliang haki por bandangwan. Hakani ka Lumpung Menteri Rangba bat ki reu pau khmat ka sorkar Jylla kila penkup buram ya kinong hikai ke Meghalaya kibala IT lut gelade met bat mensiem haki jing syakri ya ki Samla bat kena skul daki khusnam kum kadak jong ke jingnyo kor ya ki mati bat kensai jongki. Hakane ke jing yalang ba isyong kun ladon lang u chief secretary ba DP Walang, commissioner and secretary ke Tenat Pule Puthi, Vijay Kumar, Mantri Advisor, ba HM Shangpliang, bat u Director DSEL, Swapnil Tembe, bat kiwe.
God Almighty, for having blessed us with this wonderful day, but more importantly, for having blessed us with all of you, the teachers, the individuals who are responsible, as mentioned by some of the awardees, to shape and to nurture the future generation of our state and of our country. So I do take this opportunity to express my gratitude, my respect, my thankfulness, and also to congratulate all the teachers, the 50,000 plus teachers of the state of Meghalaya. We are here to honor you and to respect each and every one of you for the great contributions and sacrifices that each one of you makes every day to ensure that the future of our children and the future of our state is secure. So once again, I wish all of you a very, very happy Teachers' Day, and once again, thank all of you for all the dedication, hard work, sacrifice that you have shown towards the students and towards the education sector. I also would like to
Hadirin sanpu arsnem baka Meghalaya kala yo eka Jylla bapura na Assam kala kendit benriu ban hikai ya kiktien khasi bat garo haki skul jong kane ke Jylla. Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ula pei phang baka long kabadon kam ban nang ban keren ya kiktien khasi bat garo hakane ke Jylla. Hakane ke singi rakhi buram mikinong hikai. Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ula ang bat kentu dakabaong kalong kabadan kam miki kena skul ke Jylla ki badang pule hapo kelas 5 bakin nang lang ya kaktiin khasi bat garo. Hakajing shisha ka sorkar lengba ka education department kalade ban hikai ki kena LP bat UP ya kaktiin khasi bat garo kumba la hikai ya ka Hindi bat English. Lakata kane ka jingkentu jong menteri Rangba kampat long dirpor. Dan kam ban penrung ya kini kaktiin kum ki subject pule ha paro ki skul jong ke Jylla. Habakran yakane hakajing yalang rakhe yaka Teachers' Day ha usoso tham auditorium Menteri Rangba uong bakane kalong kum ka senjam baki kena skul kinang lang baro arteli kiktien khasi bat garo. Menteri Rangba ulai khublei ru yaka jingno senyang jong kinong hikai na kabentaban penwandur yaka lawe jong ki kena skul. Ulaya ro ru ekitu kinong hikai jong ka Jylla ki bana ki district baper ki balayo wan priang ki khusnam na ka sorkar Jylla hakani kasnam.
We are working on the logistical challenges in this. But I would like to see that up to class 5, like mentioned in our National Education Policy, NEP, we must promote local language. Why can't every student in Garo Hills also learn Khasi up to class 5? Why can't every student in Khasi Hills and Jylla Hills learn Garo up to class 5? I think we need to start somewhere. Cannot go on like this. And basic language and basic understanding, because that's the age where we can learn the language faster. I know it's logistically quite challenging. Where will we have the teachers? How will we send the teachers? Can technology be used? Please think about it, figure it out. But I think in the interest of our state, in the interest of making the NEP a real success, it's important to focus on our local language. And I would like to see that at the earliest, we should start a mechanism where, to whatever level we can go, but at least to class 5, that every student in the state should know few words, lines, and some parts of language from Khasi as well as Garo, so that we're able to promote the state integration and we're able to understand and respect each other's languages and culture. This is something that I would want the education department to truly focus on and try to roll this out at the earliest. And I can assure you that we will give our full support. It may not happen.
ban pensa nam ka kerteng jong ukpa ubalabam kwai hadwar ublei lead Lionel Marwen ka yeng ka sem jong ka kong bibiana walang lengba ki khun ki kti kilate bat shna ya ka madan futsal ka ban ningkong hapo West Khasi Hills district ya ka ba kila ai kerteng kum ka Lionel Futsal Arena hapo ka shnong pendengre West Khasi Hills hakate ka singi hashwaban play ya kate ka madan layo ru ya kajing kerku kerdo bar kajing duai na Reverend Padar Marius Thongni Parish Priest jong ka St. Peter's Parish ha kajing dan lang ka kong bibiana walang bat ki khun ki kti hadin pat layo ru ban khap ya ribbon kum kadak pan play ya kate ka madan ta usor dar ka shnong pendengre ba M Marwen bat odru ya ukek hakane kasngi la sakhiru da kajing dan lang u MLA MDC ka nongstoin ba Gabriel walang uba H Kerwood Thaba ADC West Khasi Hills bat kiwei ke balasha khot sngoba bat na kalyang jo ka Lionel Futsal Arena lengba ka kong bibiana walang kala yo ban ai sngoba ki jersey shaka pendeng ray social and cultural sports club bat la yo ru ban ai sngoba shiki bala no sinyang ban pen urlong ya kate ka kam kum jo ru shaki riurang ba ki bala shong that na ka kam bat ki bala kunjo shaka riu post nam karta ki bala wan ban yale kai hakani kamadan hadin balawai kate ka jingelang play kala don ru ka jingele kai hapadeng ki officer jong ka district West Khasi Hills bat ki EC members jong ka dor barshnong pendengre
ka jinggaman ka baningkong kare yaki para gi jogo ba kita kenau i ki ba kino gua kenau i ya ka karteng jong ki ba kare ka longin ka bawa hatam bursin ni lakle ya ka jinggor ro ya Miran malu angin, beri soda, berhaju kapua, badailu, upara terai, manu bakam hatam, dan air kepuram ciin cisen. Kadai kebakum santam, kebawadangar masuk tah mesin nama roy. Mila jam kelat, ya kajing don kam, lane ya kajing idon kam ya kajing adai ya kajing teh rasong ciin cisen. Tinggi wakum kanuksa, medan kilong kanuksa, ki parajuma kilong kanuksa, nagam nakiway. Maka jing ai buram ya kan ik futsal hai pakna Lionel kalau ke buram na kan da ing asem kapan sa jing kan mau junom la junom kadi kalau kan duksa ba na sukuman hatu kata ya ga jing te rasong lebi ga jing asem ya ga jing ie ke jompi ai ba kare ga jing ie ke jing ne ka te rasong ya ki kam bijam kan ye pelon na kare ga asem rangkat ke jing ku jung blai
ai sui stop jompi ke kuru alang na i pia teli pia it tapi la pendek ini kecil try lembaga jing terlang di bawah ai kedam keburam speaker kuru alang menit ku kita ikut bab kerugian ba kene kalau gaji kerku ya kadang katanya di bawah kumbang isa terbut meneba jing jelai jong drops tapi beda kekamdaan penonton gak sekeba. Lembah kan ni kat na teng ngilak lawan ni penjat thai ya tadi penjat yang kita hijau ni kalau sebentar kan darab ekor kerja. Kemudian sibun yang apa kurang kerja nga marriage pi kon walang ring akit bok yang pi tak kamsim bau play
Ka Office Subdivisional School Education Eastern West Khasi Hills haka santarik Nailur 8,000 pusau kala rakhe ka sngi burom kinong hikai Teachers Day ha hall jaka St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang. Hakan eka program la ai khusnam kerpang shaki laingut kinong hikai kiba kuntup yaka Vice Principal St Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang Sister Cecilia Khujur yaka Headmistress Rosario UP School Kendrut Sister Sirpailen Kurkalang bad yaka Head Teacher kanong Thamai Government LP School Kong Sintisha El Nonglai kibalaya lam lenti bad ai mensim yaki khana school bakin lebha hakijing puli kani ka khusnam ka kantup yaki sernot harangkat ka song pisa arpo hajar tengka marway haka jinga lang ladan lang ka kong LR nyauta BDO mairang sirn RD kum ka kong san usiem ka himanong klau PMCM le SDSEO Eastern West Khasi Hills ba je ternyang ki khana school kinong hikai na ki school ba pher na Eastern West Khasi Hills lapan pho pen pheng yakani ka sngi de ki jingruai ki jingshat bat ki skit na ki khana school.
This moment is incredible and special to me, and I am truly grateful for this recognition. First and foremost, I want to express my sincere thanks to the Office of the DSEO Nongstoin and SDSEO Mairang for this incredible honor. To be recognized by such a distinguished group of individuals is both humbling and inspiring. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the many people who have supported us throughout our journey, all of us. To our family, our friends, colleagues, mentors, thank you for your unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in us. Without you, this achievement would not have been possible. To our colleagues, this award is as much yours as it is ours. Your dedication, hard work, and collaboration have been instrumental in every success we have achieved together. I share this honor with each of you. I stand here today not just as an individual, but as a representative of everyone who has ever invested their time, energy, and trust in us. I am deeply aware that this award reflects not just our efforts, but the collective effort of so many others who have been part of our journey. I hope this recognition inspires others to continue pushing boundaries, to work passionately towards their goals, and to believe in the power of
Kabalang Catholic Shillong Majong, Ribhoi District, Kaban Sarakhe ka Jubilee Ksiar, Lane ka Jingdap Sanpo Sinem Jong Kabalang Shillong, Kate ka Shillong Menta Kasngi Kalayo Ban Priang Yaka Mang Tengka Kaba Arlak Tengka. Lengba ka work order kabala let ban IT da MLA kanong po ba Middle Bond CM naka scheme SRWP jong usnam 8,000 arpulay hado arpusaw. UMLA kanong po ba Middle Bond CM ula IT yaka work order hagikti jong urang ba shnong ba Matthews Maring nagabenta bante yaka podium bat ka bell tower yeng tiet baji jong kabalang shnong bat kini kijing te kilong ru kumshi benta ban penkre penkrum yakani ka jing rakhe Jubilee Ksiar jong kabalang kaba kin sayo ban rakhe haka khandai tarik rempang jong usnam 8,000 arpusan. Habakran hakate ka jing yalang nakaliang UMLA ba Middle Bonds ula kitbok kitruyang yakinong yalam jong kabalang shnong bat yakinong yalam shnong bakindang la ban ai ka jing syakri ka bahatam ha ka te ka than lengba ki jing thmu ki baha banang kentiu ya ka burom jong ublei
Kiba lajuan na kapor sa kapor ban pensgo lagadi na kabalang lagadi na kasnong hakabayde bat kijing don kam na kabenta kajing penkre ya ka jubilee ketika golden jubilee mo jubilee kesiar jong ka balang katolik ke balang senong hang ni hapo mau jong hai kijing kendu kiba nagapor sa kapor kila don kijing pun sngau ya kijing don kam nagabenta kan kijing pun kre isutu kijing don kam gidon sibun hakabede bat kijing pun kre pun krum ya ka jubilee ke jubilee kesiar ke bengite ke golden jubilee jong balang dek tagadau nagaliang jonga kumunong mi kmatru kat bang gidang yolat ban ai kijing yarap ngila bu bet ya kene kesengiru ban yo ban wan IT pi ya ikat tu kan ni kijing yarap ki bang ngila yo ban pen bet pat ka balang pat ke senong ni borok ko wi isu komen bagani ke senong kede ke senong ka ba kaju ni ka balang kaju ke senong longka sup habanya rekam bat kom ta ter bat ha kijing persyang ban ya budin ya kijing don kam ni ladang ini nujor haki snem kiba mensua ha kabide bat ka lenti kesengkin gedon ni kijing jenjar ke senong ke jopi ini kisau komen menta ba kesurok rong kala poi ha senong lampat la ban pengkot hadu sispa persen lani sispa nak sispa dan re kat bandai poi ha senong la kam sup kan dek kawan bat kom ta ter sa no stang ke senong pemsken ni gini area mo ba sirin Naju pun sengau nak puasa ke puas hal barang don hal lenti mentaban. Pembit pembiang ban budin. Ya kini kijing don kam. Ha kini ki snong ke badon ha kaneka than ke jampi. But habala yu
Kasin Dominic Higher Secondary School mau kendeng. Ha kasan tarik Nailur kala penlong ya ka Teachers Day celebration ka ba isyong kun. Kinong penyat school berkentup yu Reverend Padar Richard Lewis Raptap, Principal, Reverend Padar Henry Warba, Vice Principal, Sister Merciful Nongset, Sister in Charge, Kinong Hikai, Teaching and Non-Teaching Staff, but kikena school nadu class 5 hadu class 12. Kila shimbenta da ka jingshong shit, but jingkemen hakani kasi. Lasdang ya kani ka program daga Thanksgiving Mass ya ublay ubala la kerku kerdo ha ka jingyat lenti jong kani ka shlem jing start Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School mau kendeng. Hadirin kemas bakhut la penbud sadaki program ba internet bat basho mensim. La penwa ya ki jingle kemen ha kani ka sngi da ka jingbam jasngi krui kum shi ying shisen. Pada kitu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kabakot tat hadu bangindaya siyembiang Khuborjylla.